Apple already released a tiny update to fix some issues in iOS 11, but the iPhone 8's crackling sound issue isn't one of them. Various buyers who purchased the phone complained about the earpiece issue, and it looks like Apple is on top of things, promising a fix for the problem. The company said that the problem only affects a small number of cases, which is only to be expected from such statements from companies that are acknowledging issues with their brand new devices. "We are aware of the issue, which is affecting customers in a small number of cases," an Apple spokesperson told The Verge. "Our team is at work on a fix, which will be included in an upcoming software release." Apple did not explain what causes the sound issue or how widespread it is. People took to forums including Apple's own support site and Reddit to detail their experiences. Apparently, the issue affects both the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 8 Plus and occurs regardless of carriers or country. The crackling doesn't happen on every voice or FaceTime call, so everyone will experience it differently. The company did not offer a time frame for a fix, but it's likely that fixing the issue is a top priority for Apple, especially with the iPhone X on its way. But if it promised a fix, it must mean it's a software issue rather than a hardware one. Google's Pixel phones also experienced sound issues of their own, which Google fixed via software updates. For Apple, this is the second issue it had to acknowledge with its hardware after last week's Apple Watch LTE issues, which should also be patched via a future update. This video demos the crackling earpiece sounds some of you may be experiencing. Tags Apple, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus.